Have you accidentally deleted your photos and videos from iCloud? Don't worry, here's a quick way to get them back on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro Max or any other iPhone before they are permanently gone. So first, from your settings, tap on your Apple ID and go to your iCloud. Now go for this section, Save to iCloud, and choose iCloud Photos. Then manage storage. You will see this undo delete option if your photos or videos were deleted recently. You can recover them only within 30 days. So here we'll find this option, just tap it and you can see your photos and videos will be automatically restored to your iCloud within a few minutes. And you will see this turn off and delete photos option appear again, along with a confirmation message at the top as a proof. That means your photos and videos have been successfully recovered and restored to your iCloud. Isn't it really easy? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.